Transform clicks into customers by mastering the art of Mailerlite landing pages. Let's dive straight into building a high-converting landing page on Mailerlite first. Log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to the campaign section. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the bright orange Create Campaign button. From the campaign types that appear, select Landing Page. This is where your dedicated conversion hub begins. Mailerlite offers a fantastic library of pre-designed, mobile responsive templates. Browse through them and choose one that best suits your offer or aesthetic. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. For this tutorial, we'll select this clean, modern design. Now you're in the visual editor. We'll start by customizing the header. Click on the existing text to edit it. Aim for a clear, benefit-driven headline that immediately tells visitors what's in it for them. Think about your target audience and what problem you're solving. Next, let's update the image. Click on the image placeholder. You can upload your own relevant image or choose from Mailerlite's stock library. A visually appealing and on-brand image will grab attention instantly. Scrolling down, we have the main content area. This is where you elaborate on your offer. Use concise, scannable text. Bullet points are your friend for highlighting key features and benefits. Keep paragraphs short and impactful. The most crucial element is your Signup form. Mailerlite makes it easy. Click on the form block to configure it. Ensure you only ask for the essential information needed to start building your relationship. Typically, email is a must, and perhaps a first name for personalization. Now, for the call to action, or CTA, this is your button. Make it stand out. Use action-oriented text like download now, get instant access, or sign up today. Ensure the button links to the correct next step, whether that's a success page or directly delivering a freebie. Don't forget your page settings. Click the Settings tab here. You'll define your page title and meta description. These are crucial for search engine visibility and how your page appears when shared on social media. Make them compelling and keyword-rich. Once you're happy with your design and content, hit that Save button. You can then choose to publish your landing page. Your targeted online presence is now ready to convert.